In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice on Stripe easily. Whether you're managing a small business or overseeing a large operation, knowing how to maneuver through your Stripe dashboard efficiently can save you time and prevent potential errors. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to log into your Stripe account. Once you're in, head straight to your dashboard. This is essentially the control center for all your financial activities on Stripe. On the dashboard, look for the section labeled Invoices. Click on Invoices to open up a comprehensive list of all the invoices you've issued. Here, you'll see a range of invoices, both pending and completed, lined up chronologically. Locating the specific invoice you wish to address is an important step. Take a moment to carefully select the payment you need to cancel. It's crucial to ensure that you've chosen the right invoice, as performing actions on the wrong invoice could cause issues with your financial records or business transactions. Once you've identified the correct invoice, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a small icon consisting of 3 dots, commonly referred to as an ellipsis. Click on this ellipsis to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options presented, you'll find one labeled Change Invoice Status. This option is key, as it allows you to alter the status of the selected invoice. After clicking Change Invoice Status, another set of options will appear. To effectively cancel or delete the invoice, you'll want to choose Void. By setting the invoice to void, you're essentially nullifying it. It's important to understand that voiding an invoice is akin to deleting it in practice. This action ensures the invoice will not be paid or even attempted to be collected, essentially making it inactive in your records. Once you've selected Void, the last step is straightforward. Simply confirm your choice by clicking Update Status. Doing so finalizes the process, officially voiding the invoice within your Stripe system. This simple yet effective process guarantees that your financial records in Stripe remain clean and accurate, allowing you to manage your transactions without the burden of unwanted invoices cluttering your dashboard. Remember, always double-check before voiding any invoice to prevent any unintended disruptions to your transactions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage your invoices on Stripe. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more features within Stripe to make the most out of this powerful tool for your business.